Hello and welcome to a new episode of the Raw Immortal Vegan. Today I make a recipe video and I use for it something like a 1/2 cup of carrots and red roots, mushrooms. I have cut some in different ways. I have taken dough out of the mushroom and I've plucked that. Mushrooms, I've cut them in this way and in parts, like I have done with 1/3 of an avocado and sweet pepper. Then I use turmeric, 1 toe of garlic and ginger powder, black pepper and some noodles. So if you want to see how I make this noodle recipe, the first thing I do is put the mushrooms in the pan and put the fire. I've put already a little bit of water to it. After that, put a little bit of sweet soy sauce, not the salty one, the sweet one, and put the carrots and the red roots to it, plus the garlic. After 5 minutes of cooking, I put a little bit more water to it and put the other herbs to the mixture. Black pepper. Mix it together. Then put the avocado and sweet pepper to it, or sliced. So, this is how it looks. You put some noodles to it. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And I see you next time.